Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Digvijay Singh's interview to Prudent sends shockwaves across Congress. Most national channels run the interview. Digvijay clarifies in Bengaluru. Government decides to go ahead with loan waiver scheme for mining ban affected. Draft mining policy to be tabled in upcoming assembly session. I don't delegate because there are no capable people to take the responsibility, says CM while admitting of corruption in PWD and panchayats. A mining lease owner sitting in Congress House alongside GPCC President alleges senior Rane of corruption. Rane decides to file defamation case. And Alina Saldana says Muthalik will disturb social fabric of Goa. John Fernandez calls Muthalik a Talibani. Opposition to Muthalik increases across society. Now the news in detail. Digvijay Singh's exclusive interview to Prudent created shockwaves in union politics, and almost every national news channel picked it up with his statements on Rahul Gandhi and the Congress. Digvijay Singh had questioned Rahul Gandhi's political capabilities in our weekly program Head On. Singh had also said that Rahul Gandhi should have taken over as opposition leader in Lok Sabha.
Digvijay Singh, Goa Congress desk in charge, was on a short visit and held a meeting at Mapsa with state Congress leaders on Friday. On his way back to Delhi, Prudent caught up with the senior congressman and had candid chat on UPS debacle and reforms in Goa Congress. During the interview, Digvijay Singh made this statement which has become a headline of almost every national news channel.
हमने तो सुझाव ये दिया था कि राहुल गांधी जी को खुद को बनना चाहिए। जो हमारे कांग्रेस के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हैं राहुल गांधी जी, उनको ये जवाबदारी अपने हाथ में लेना चाहिए थी। हम लोग परसेप्शन वॉर में हार गए, कम्युनिकेशन वॉर में हार गए। रॉन्ग एडवाइजेस नहीं है, ऐसा है कि डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी वो आदि नहीं है कि अपना ढिंडोरा पीटते रहें।
This interview, conducted by editor Pramod Acharya, was picked up by NDTV, CNN IBN, India TV, Aaj Tak, Headlines Today, Times Now, IBN 7. All the channels ran this interview by giving full credit to Prudent. Digvijay Singh immediately came out with the clarification on this controversial statement in Bengaluru.
Said he is always fighting against injustice, and therefore he is not for power. He is to fight injustice. That is the difference between.
The statement sent shockwaves across the Congress party as Digvijay also said that then PM Manmohan Singh's lack of communication skill led to Congress miserably losing perception battle against the BJP. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa government has decided to move ahead with waiving of loans of mining ban affected. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had a meeting with various financial institutions and moved a proposal to assist the banks to recover their liabilities. Banks have been asked to discuss government proposal with their board and to be present on 7th or 8th July with their final report. Chief Minister also informed that draft mining policy will be tabled in the coming assembly session for discussion.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar held a meeting with non-financial institutions, national and cooperative banks to discuss the loan amount of the mining affected people. Government asked banks to declare exact amount of the liabilities. Government will ask the banks to waive off interest rate from 30th September 2012 to June 2014. Then government will give two options. Option A, one-time settlement. Government will ask the loanee to pay 80% amount of the loan and 20% amount will be shared by the government. Those who cannot afford loan amount, government will assist them through financial institutions like EDC. Government will pay whole amount of the loanee and the loanee will have to pay the EDC over a period of 5 years. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that financial institutions have been asked to prepare the report of liabilities after waiving of interest rate. Nearly 1,000 crores of liabilities have been created after the ban on mining.
September 2012 कितले आशिल्ले तांकां कितें ऑफर ते सेटलमेंटाक वन टायम सेटलमेंटाक दिवंक शकता ही तांच्या फुडें वेगवेगळे प्रपोजल दवरलेले आसा. They will go back and they will come with informal proposals by 7th or 8th. Governmentaची स्कीम जी आहा त्या बेसिसचेर governmentaची स्कीम रिलीफाची कितें आहा ती डिक्लेअर करता. जितल्यो फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूट आहा तांच्यांनी प्रपोजल दिवचे पडटले. आमी इतले सोडपाक तयार आहा म्हणून ते सोडपाक तयार आहा म्हणून एकदां तो आंकडो एस्टॅब्लीश जालो की गव्हर्मेंट तातूंत भितर कितले हेल्प करपाची ते गव्हर्मेंटाची वेगळी स्कीम आसता. बट कल्पना अशी आहा की जुलय ऑगस्ट सप्टेंबर ह्या 3 म्हयन्या भितर विशय पूर्णपणे एक्चुअल एक्झिक्युशन जावन मेकळो जावपाक.
Chief Minister informed that government is drafting mining policy and same draft will be tabled in the coming assembly session for discussion.
मायन सुरू जाता आसतना हांवें सांगलां की सप्टेंबर ऑक्टोबरान सुरू करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. मायनिंगच्या संदर्भातली पॉलिसी जी आमची मिनरल पॉलिसी आसा ताका डिटेलिंग म्हणजे मिनरल पॉलिसीन ते एका पॅरान सोंपला. तातूंत भितर डिटेलिंग करून आमी एक ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी जी आसा ती पॉलिसी साधारण जुलयच्या 3ऱ्या आठवड्यापर्यंत रेडी दवरतले. We'll also, since assembly will be in session, we'll also get this before the assembly for discussion to understand opinion of others, because जे कितें आमी ड्राफ्ट दिता तो ड्राफ्ट चर्चा जावचो असेंब्लीन, काय हरकत ना. तो असेंब्लीन चर्चा जाली जर तूं जाल्यार तातूंतल्यान आनीक कितें सजेशन्स आयले जाल्यार दॅट कॅन बी कन्सिडर्ड. पण ते चर्चा जावन मागीर तो फायनल जातलो.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that he has asked the Mines Department to recruit 25 persons on contract basis and later they will be regularized. He also informed that he is going to Delhi on 2nd July to discuss the mining related issue. He will meet Mines and Environment Ministers. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with Omkar Fadari for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said he doesn't delegate because he feels no one around him is competent enough to shoulder delegated responsibility. CM made this startling statement during GSIA function. He also admitted that in spite of his zero tolerance to corruption motto, the bribe business goes on in PWD and different panchayats in the state.
The opposition party has tagged CM Parrikar as a dictator. Opposition say Parrikar doesn't delegate responsibilities to others. But Parrikar says he cannot delegate responsibilities to incompetent people. Parrikar was speaking at the Golden Jubilee celebration of GSIA.
You don't delegate to incompetent people. You require competent person for delegation. It is better not to delegate rather than delegate to incompetent person. एक गजाल हांव करता मात्र. एखादी गजाल काम म्हाका करपाचें आसत जाल्यार I always delegate it to incompetent person. It never comes back. There are so many of them in government. एखादी फायल जर तूं आमकां करपाची नासली की आमी लॉ डिपार्टमेंटाक घेता. पण ती येनात ती.
Parrikar also admitted that there is corruption in the PWD. He said PWD engineers do not work without seeking percentage.
Jokingly, I always say that PWD engineers have forgotten engineering and have become good finance experts. They can calculate percentages very fast. Today, too much responsible. Yes, I am responsible. I am trying to. Things don't change overnight. आणि मनशांचे स्वभाव तर बदलना आणि खावपाची सवय तर सटकरू वतना.
He said that he is aware that Panchayat bodies pressurize businessmen for bribe before doing any work.
Panchayat and many other bottlenecking areas. आजकाल खंयची गजाल पंचायतीन एप्रूव करतलो जाल्यार लाखांनी रुपया खावचे पडटा. हांव स्ट्रेट सांगता म्हजे कडेन कंप्लेनी शेकड्यांनी येता. हांव नको तुमी यू आर अ म्यूट स्पेक्टेटर. आय एम ब्लंट अबाउट इट. I am also saying that not everyone is corrupt. That also I am very clear on. There are good panchayats, but ज्या जाग्यार तक्रारी येतात पळय त्यो मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर येतात.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
State Congress is in soup again as a senior congressman has been alleged of corruption. Mine leaseholder Balchandra Naik has charged Pratap Singh Rane of demanding bribe of 10 crore rupees to get environmental clearance when he was Chief Minister of Goa. Balchandra Naik made these allegations in the Congress House, and that too in the presence of GPCC President June14. Pratap Singh Rane has refuted the allegation and has decided to file defamation case against Balchandra.
Mining lease owner Balchandra Naik had charged Pratap Singh Rane of demanding bribe of 10 crore rupees in order to get environment clearances for his mine during his tenure as Chief Minister. Naik says he handed over 6 crore rupees to his son Vishwajit Rane, but later senior Rane demanded more money. Naik made this charge in Congress House in the presence of John Fernandez.
But now so far they have not given me lease, because EC is not given in my favor till today. And this Rane has kept this EC with him, and he is not sending file to Central Ministry. Pratap Singh Rane, Ravji Rane. And people are hungry, people are staying in Harole. लोकांक जेवंक मेळना, पण हे पैसे मागता 10,000 कोटी रुपये. आता आणि ताका 6 कोटी दिले सुद्धा आम्ही, पण 6 कोटी दिवन तो कितें सांगता ते माझ्या पुताक दिले, तू म्हाका दिवंक ना. And even he wants 10 crore rupees.
He's biased. Who has signed agreement with him? That is what he is trying to say. Concession is his. No, property doesn't mean he got the concession.
आता बाहेर कितें आसा, तांकां जर काम मेळटा न्ही तर लोकांक काम मेळटा. म्हणून बाहेर आमकां हेल्प करतात न्ही.
GPCC President has not denied what Balchandra Naik has said. In fact, he said that few congressmen were involved in corrupt practices, and this was a glaring example of it.
It was clear 2007. He was harassed for extortion in crores of rupees by certain goons here who are claiming to be my party member. Therefore, the matter was taken to.
Pratap Singh Rane has strongly objected to this allegation. He has decided to go ahead with defamation case against Balchandra Naik.
मी काँग्रेस हाऊसान वचून आरोप केल्यात, पत्रकार परिशद घेतल्या काय राव नको, तितून काही तथ्य आसा जाल्यार गोंयची जनता जाणा. हांव हे पिशेपणाचें काम थोडी मॅडमॅनान केलां, आनी हांव तेचेर कांय लिगल रेमेडी कितें करूंक जाय, कायदेशीर तेचेर हांव कितें करूंक जाय तें करता.
लीगल कितें करतलो?
I will file a case for libel.
Defamation case.
Defamation case. कोर्टान जीव आसा पूण कितेंय उलोवपाचें, इतकी वर्सां कोणी केलें ना म्हाजेर आरोप अशें.
Meanwhile, the word is out that Valanka Alemao is pressurized to quit the Congress party. Valanka pressurized to quit Congress, sources from Valanka's camp. Valanka not to leave Congress. I have toiled hard for party, strived when I was in NSUI. Valanka says she has worked hard for 8 years for development of Congress in the state and nobody has right to remove her from the party. Dinesh Karpe with Uday Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.